The Keyixize Kids Metal Detector combines a compact, child-friendly design with a clear LCD screen that makes it easy for young beginners to understand when they have found something. Its adjustable shaft covers a wide height range, so children can use it comfortably for several years as they grow without needing a different detector. The lightweight build and ergonomic handle keep it easy to carry on long walks, and the foldable design fits neatly into a backpack for outings to parks or beaches. A waterproof search coil allows kids to scan wet sand, shallow water, and damp grass confidently, expanding treasure hunts beyond the backyard. Simple one-button operation, audible beeps, and visual indicators on the display give kids instant feedback, which keeps them engaged while they learn how metal detecting works. The included backpack, shovel, and batteries make this a ready-to-go kit that encourages outdoor exploration, hands-on learning, and family time away from screens.